how to change default search engine on Safari. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. Today in this video I will be showing you how to change default search engine of the Safari browser on your iPhone. Now I am using iPhone 12 for this tutorial, but this applies across the board to all iPhones and iPads. So when you go to Safari and search for something on the address bar, let's for instance just do a search of Take It Simple. You can see it searches using Google, and that's because Google has been set as a default search engine. Now if you want to Google as your search engine, or maybe you don't want and you want something else, then here's how to change that default search engine. Firstly, go to settings. On the main setting page, scroll down and find Safari. Once you find it, tap on it. And then under Safari, look for search engine on the search. And you can see it's set to Google. So if you tap on that, you have the option to choose other search engine like Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Koshia. So let's say for instance, I want to start using Bing. Okay, as my default search engine. So hit the back button all the way back to the home screen. And then now when you go to Safari and search something up, let me search same thing. So I'm gonna search Take It Simple once again. And this time, as you can see, it searches using Microsoft Bing. That's wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did, then hit the subscribe to our channel Take It Simple.